Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope that you are having a great day or the day of your choice. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell down below. And I will be glad to have you on, and we will let you know about our live streams, our giveaways. We have so much stuff coming up. It's just super exciting, and I recently had my 1,200 subscribers, so we were going to have a giveaway real soon to mark that achievement, and I couldn't do couldn't have done it without you. Boo! And that's why you love me, because you get a little song, a little dance, a little seltzer down your pants. And today I've got, oh, what is it? It's a box. What? A box on your channel, Rhonda? What the fuck? It's a Glossy box, mystery box. And I got this, I ordered it late December. And so this is my first mystery box I'm opening in January. It's a new year. Yay. And I'm going to, it was $25. I'm going to manly, womanly rip the box open. Oh, and it says Radial, and it's gorgeous. The one thing about Glossy box, I've subscribed to them off and on for many years. And one of the things about them is they always have fantastic boxes that you want to use over and over again. And occasionally I like the box more than I like the products. But let's see what is in this mystery box from Glossy box. It's a mystery. Ooh, I love a mystery. It's very nice, beautiful inside. It's got the little Glossy box little logo there. Put that there. It has got a lovely tie. Oops, that's about to fall out. I'll go and pull that out. And I'll gently tug against the beautiful ribbon. And there's a little seal, like a little sticker that's sealing it closed. Oh my gosh. So it looks like it's all Radial cosmetics, which I have never tried, but they seem very fancy and very nice. And it looks like, oh, I've heard about some of this stuff, and it's really good. It's really good. And I got a little booklet, and it tells me what's in the box. Ooh, glasses are required because it is written for Smurfs to read. And since I am yet a giant Smurf, I'm not a giant Smurf. I am more of a giant My Little Pony. But I digress. So this tells us what everything is and how to use it and the value. So let's start with this. It is small, but it is mighty. It is the Glamour Lash Mascara XXL. And this is a deluxe mini. With intensified color concentration, this mascara will guarantee extreme black lashes with supercharged volume. Supercharged! I love supercharged volume. And the long wear formula ensures that your lashes stay maximized all day and all night. And the mini is a $13 value, which is really nice. Let me get my calculator, and we'll keep track to see what the value is of this box. So we've got 13. Now, this is what I've heard about. Unless there's a lot of things called Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel. Look at that packaging. It is gorgioso. And this is a deluxe mini also. But it seems like a decent sized jar for a deluxe mini. And this contains dragon's blood and sap from the Rakuten tree. Rakuten tree. This revolutionary anti-aging gel helps volumize and define facial contours by stimulating the production of collagen. Say hello to firmer and more lifted skin. Hello. Hello. And this is a $26 value. So we're at $39. Very nice. This is also a deluxe mini, but it is also just a really good size. And this is the Dragon's Blood Micellar Cleansing Water, which you can never have too much micellar water as far as I'm concerned. And this mini size is $25. Let's add that. And it says, cleanse, refresh, and soothe your skin all at once with this micellar water, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin B3 paired with Dragon's Blood. Hydrate, eliminate, and remove all dirt and makeup. Its lightweight texture is perfect for a cooling and soothing effect. Very nice. And so you open this and you put it on a cotton ball and you swipe, swipe, swipe. It helps take your makeup off and stuff. We've got 2 more things in here, and there are 2 sets of 2. And this is Dragon's Blood Radial Eye Patches. Jelly. Ooh, jelly. It must be jam, or it must be jelly because jam don't shake like that. That's the backwards way to say it, but we love a little jelly in our life. I am in from the KY, the state, not the jelly. Do you want me to go on? I will go on. Visibly smooth, plump, and restore hydration in under eye contours with the protective powers of Dragon's Blood in these eye patches. Powers of Dragon's Blood in these eye patches. I just said that. The new jelly texture technology will calm and depuff under eye area for a refreshing look. And these are perfect for an easy pick-me-up in the morning. And these are $11. So we're at $75 for a $25 box. Not so bad. And then we have this, which is the Dragon's Blood lip masks. I'm not a big fan of a lip mask, but you know, it's Dragon's Blood. What the hell? Like, I live in a house with a man who loves D&D, and I play D&D, and we love dragons here. So Dragon's Blood is an automatic yes for this house. Take your lip game to a whole new level with these replenishing biocellulose lip masks. Dragon's Blood extract and hyaluronic acid will restore, plump, and protect, giving you the ultimate moisture boost for smoother licking lips. We love that. And one sachet is a treatment, and there's 2 of them. And that's $7, so let's call that 14. So $89 value of some very nice stuff. I've heard really great things about the Radial or whatever. Radial? I don't know. I'm just a girl who's from Kentucky. I just got off the farm. These fancy brands got me perplexed. Just kidding. I live in a city. I wear shoes. It's very lovely here. But this is a great mystery box, and I think it's a pretty good value, and I'm excited to try all these things. And I've heard so much about the Dragon's Blood formula of their products, so I'm super excited to try that. I hope you guys have had fun with me unboxing this. Have a great day or the day of your choice. Like, comment, and we'll see you real soon.